So this is a little robotic Arduino we have here, done by a Bluetooth, that Rob will be controlling via what buttons is it?
8, 4, 5, 6 and 9, so basically forwards, backwards, left, right and swap.
Okay, show us how it works.
Which, it's weird because this is turned the opposite way around. I'm looking at it. Oh.
It's remote control and you just bash it straight into the maze.
Oh, shut up. I'm just as intelligent as this robot, apparently. See, I got some speed there.
So it's a very simple project at the moment. It took us a while to figure out how the Bluetooth worked. Our next step is to send back the infrared data readings on the front to the computer so we can map its environment. Let's look reverse there.
Yeah,
If you could just stop there for us, Rob, quickly. And continue.
Slight, very small gap. Okay, should we go for a Chilton?
Chilton.
Shut up!
Parallel park.
Parallel park. Where?
I don't know.
I'm so confused!
Parallel park in this slot here.
Shut up!
You failed your test. Anyway, we'll bring you the next video when we have it doing something with the sensors. Goodbye.